Come walk around our 1.2-tonne excavator. Firstly, we have the standard bucket supplied and the arm fitted with high-quality hydraulic hoses. Then you can see the light fitted here just underneath, helping you out if working in dark conditions. Looking down toward the floor, you will see the front hydraulic shovel, then the tough all-terrain tracks. Here you can see the boom servo controls, exclusive to our Kubota model, making it quick and easy for the operator to maneuver material. Some more controls to operate the extendable tracks and hydraulic shovel. I-handy USB and USB-C port, should you need to charge any little tools. Here you have the ignition and throttle. Then moving around to the back, you can see the diesel Kubota engine. One advantage of this is you have a slightly quieter purr when the engine is ticking over. All parts are readily available on our website, should you require anything. Down there, you have a hydraulic oil meter, and moving up one of the 2 pedal switches. Here you can see the retractable tracks in operation, perfect for if need to squeeze somewhere narrow, like down the side of a house or through a doorway. This is all done by the pull of a lever on the dashboard, as seen here. Not very clear on the camera from this angle, but you can see a little screen here visible from the driver's seat, allowing you to keep an eye on fuel and working hours, etc. We have a wide range of attachments available for this machine, from narrow buckets to hydraulic breakers. And finally, you can see a little clip here of the servo controls in use. Contact us now to place your order. We can get delivery quotes for you all across the UK.